Server Interview Questions, Part 2. How to list all employees hired in the last 8 months. How to find the department with the lowest average salary. How to write a query to check if a table is empty. How to get the count of employees in each department. Write a query to fetch the details of employees with the same salary. How to get the current month's name from SQL Server. How can you find employees whose salary is between 50,000 and 1 lakh? How can you delete duplicate rows in a table? How to retrieve employee names and salaries in a single string. Write a query to display department-wise total and average salary. How to calculate the total salary of all employees. Write a query to calculate the total sales per customer in sales in a sales table. How to write a query to list all employees without a department. How to write a query to find the total number of employees in each job title. How to find all employees who work in both departments 201 and 202. Write a query to get all employee records in XML format. Write a query to display the current date and time in SQL. How to convert a string to lowercase in SQL. How to find the second highest salary for each department. How to write a query to find all employees who joined in the year 2025. How can you optimize SQL queries to improve performance? How to find the second largest value from a table. How is the like operator used in SQL? Write a query to find the maximum salary and minimum salary in each department. How to get the common records from 2 tables. Thank you for watching. For more details, visit our website www.121softwaretraining.com. Call us for online classes 91809 388 7034.